Hi friends, I'm Dr. Udisha from Dental Clinic, and I'm getting a lot of calls from patients who have dental emergencies like extreme pain and discomfort. So most of the patients are worried, that what are we doing for the safety and for their precaution. So I'm going to brief you how we're going to go about it, how when the patient enters and what are the protocols which we follow. The first thing which we do is over the phone we do a full telephonic consultation from the patient. We ask the patient their name, if they have any symptoms like cough, cold, fever, and especially from which area are they coming, the building. If it is in the containment zone, then we tell them to wait till the containment is over and only then we take the patient. Otherwise, from all containment zones, we are not taking patients at the moment. Or any patient with cold, cough, fever or breathlessness, that also those patients we are not taking. So once all the teleconsultation is over, after that we tell the patient to send a picture of the concerned tooth or the area for where they are having a pain, and we kind of tell the patient that what would be the possible treatment, whether it would be removal of tooth or whether it is a root canal or whether it is some other problem which they might be facing. We give them a first line of medicine if an antibiotic is required or any painkiller which is required to subside their pain. And after that, if the pain is still not subsiding and if the pain is still there, we give them an appointment. In the appointment, when they are supposed to come, we prefer that the patient come alone, and only if there's a child as a patient, then a parent is accompanying with them. But other than that, we would prefer that the patient is coming all alone, so that there is we maintaining social distancing, and only one patient at a time, strictly through appointments, we will be taking. So I'm going to now brief you that how, when the patient enters, what are the protocols that we are doing. Once the patient enters, we first take their thermometer reading and we give them a sanitizer to sanitize their hands. We give them a pulse oximeter to check their oxygen concentration. Only if it is above 95 will we take the patient inside. If the patient enters the waiting area, you will only find two chairs in the waiting area. One if the child and the parent is accompanying, otherwise only one patient is entertained. And then we give the patient a disposable gown, head cap and shoe cover. And the assistant who is wearing the PPE kit will help the patient wear. The patient will be wearing a shoe cover, hand gloves and head cap. And till right now, the patient will be wearing a mask. Only patients with wearing a mask will be entered. If they are not wearing a mask will be provided from the clinic. Once the patient is sitting in the operating area, all the instruments are always sterilized even before the coronavirus. And we're taking extreme precautions right now. We dip them in a solution of hypochlorite, and after that they are autoclaved. Once the patient is sitting on the chair, we ask the patient to remove the mask but not open their mouth. So, mask just नीचे रख कर दीजिए mask. After this, a containment dome is placed over the patient. Now the patient is asked to open their mouth. After we do a checkup of the patient, we tell them what treatment is required, whether it is a root canal or a removal of tooth or any other treatment. And once this procedure is done, we remove the container. Patient is asked to wear the mask back. And patient will be leaving the operatory. And sitting in the waiting area. Here the patient will make a cashless payment. We are only accepting through
Google Pay, Paytm, net transfer. After the patient finishes the payment, the patient, whatever the disposable gown, the head cap, everything, we keep a dustbin outside. So patient is asked to remove everything and dispose it off in the dustbin.
So after the patient leaves, the entire clinic is disinfected through various procedures. First, what we do is we take hypochlorite, 1% hypochlorite, and disinfect the chair. The door knobs. The waiting area, the outside door, after disinfecting the entire surface area, then after that we use a UVC light for 15 minutes in the operatory area, in the waiting area. So this, after 30 seconds it starts, so we switch it on and then we leave the area. After we finish the UVC sterilization, we do a fogging between each patient, and I'll show you how the fogging works. So we use hydrogen peroxide and silver nitrate, and each area is disinfected by the help of fog. So do not be scared when you are having any dental emergency. You can always contact us. We're taking extreme precautions for your and our safety, and be free. Please call on the below numbers, and we are here to help you.